Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Photos and go straight to Albums, then Recently Deleted. Tap it now. This folder holds items for up to 30 days. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID because deleted items sync with iCloud. Otherwise, you might be looking at the wrong library. While you're here, check Settings right arrow Photos to confirm iCloud Photos is on or off. This matters since removal behaves differently when syncing is enabled. Once done, identify the photos you want permanently removed. You tap Select in Recently Deleted and choose Individual Photos or swipe to pick Many. You select all if you want everything gone. Next, press Delete. A confirmation pops up because this action is irreversible. Confirm to permanently remove the files from your device and, if iCloud Photos is enabled, from all connected devices. Make sure you really want them gone because this bypasses the 30-day restoration window. After confirming, the items vanish and storage is freed. You should reopen Recently Deleted to verify the items are gone, then check iCloud. Com Photos to confirm sync completed across devices. If deleted photos still appear, sign out of iCloud or restart the iPhone to force a sync refresh. This resolves most lingering cache issues. If you accidentally removed something, stop and restore from your backup right away. Once the deleted folder is emptied and iCloud syncs, recovery is unlikely. One quick tip: ensure network connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.